Hi there, my friends. This is Joanna, JCLady from the channel JC Alternative Education. JCLady Alternative Education. This film, you should watch it only once. Actually, this film will be put in every playlist, in each section on my YouTube channel, because people sometimes just don't come directly into the YouTube channel, but they just find out a playlist. So I just want everybody to get to know, everybody to understand what is my JCLady Alternative Education project about. So if you come to my channel, YouTube channel, just watch this film with this specific title only once, right? You don't bother to watch it on every playlist. Anyway, in this film, in this video, I will explain what my project is about, and I will explain you exactly what is the order of videos in this YouTube channel. But first, maybe you just don't know me. Hey, this is Joanna, JCLady, and I've got this channel and I've got the website. You have to go to the website. Everything will be more clear for you if you go there. It's jcalternativeedu.com. I offer consultations, I offer personal analysis, Astro-Slavic analysis. I use numerology, I use tarot, I use Vedic astrology and Slavic mythology for my consultations. So I guess it's quite interesting perspective. I also do the workshops, and I write books. I create games, and I create videos. So that's a huge project. Now, just go to the website and check all this. Subscribe, please. It will be much easier for you. You will always be informed when I do a new vlog, because I'm a girl who just want to emigrate with my 2 small kids, quite small. I'm single, and we want to leave Poland and live in some other country which will be more open-minded and where we will feel more free to do what we want. So follow me. Maybe you will get some kind of inspiration. And I will tell you about all our problems, hardships, and all this. I just need your support. Anyway, about this project. So here, on the YouTube channel, JCLady Alternative Education, you've got the videos. It's all free. You've got vlogs, and you've got the videos in series, which are connected to my books series, K&K. Now, the books are to buy. So the books, whenever all the world will start again to live and prosper, when Amazon and Lulu and all the website will be reopened, I guess I will publish it. Right now, everything is closed out. We are off limits, I guess. Anyway, I will tell you what are the sections, what will be the playlists, and I will tell you what books I wrote. The first section is mythology. The first section is mythology. In this section, you will first get the playlist Slavic comparative mythology. It will be mostly Vedic and Slavic, maybe others mythology, but it's my concept. All right, it's my perspective. I guess it can be interesting. There will be a book, and there will be a playlist of videos. And one day there will be a workshop. Section 2, old ancient texts, old books. And first I will deal with Baroque. Baroque epoch, Baroque texts. Section 3 is a spiritual world. spiritual world. And first book that will be published, it will be a book about angels. And listen, my books are really simple. It's all the ancient, old, kind of complicated science will be simplified. I will put it in diagrams and nice pictures. I mean drawings. I draw, and you will get also cards for that, cards to meditate and play, and board games. So really, I think it's a good deal. So that was section 3. Section 4 is about health. And first, I will talk about herbs. Very, very useful. I don't think so chemical medicine is useful. I think it's bullshit. So let's use natural medicine. I will talk about this, and yeah, you will see. Section 5, raising a child. And first, I will talk about Slavic education, not education, the raising a child Slavic way. And the book is already written. I have it ready, but I cannot publish yet. 60 drawings for that, and the game, and cards. So it will appear soon, and you will have a playlist of videos describing all the Slavic, the Slavic way of raising children, and it will be, you can compare it to the book. If you buy the book, you can watch movies and read the book. Section 6, it's education, purely education of your children. And here I will talk about homeschooling with projects, which is actually a very practical book. It's a book that will appear up to September, I think, 2020. And it's education, home education, homeschooling our way. So that's what I did with my children, our projects. Section 7. Section 7, it's creativity, and actually it will be all about Slavic magic handicrafts, Slavic creativity, and I will talk all about handicrafts which are connected to rite of passage, to holidays. What do we do? How do we do it? Why do we do it? And I guess I will talk about this because it's connected a little to protective magic also. Let's see. There will be a few books like that. So that will be the first one, and the first playlist. Section 8, understanding yourself. And there are 10 topics, and I will start with Vedic astrology here. So you will have the playlist of videos like that. Section 9, it's harmony of the universe. And I will start with the topic, the wheel of life. So I will talk about the cycle of life, all the rites of passage. It will be in different points of view, Slavic, but not only. And I will talk about this. Section 10, what is the language for? So language, speech, basically. And I will talk about grammar, Slavic grammar, Slavic Polish grammar, basically. And since I consider Polish, Slavic languages as very, very old, and especially Polish is kind of the most difficult and little messed up, and I want to talk about it, like why it happened, what happened. I will talk about Christianity, like different aspects of that, and I will try to explain grammar also in a simple way. So I guess it will be good for those who want to learn Polish, or at least understand what's going on here. Section 11 is spiritual nature. So it's all about nature, and I will talk here first about totemic animals. Section 12, it's family. Two books will appear from that section, toxic relationships and the archetype of a woman, so female archetype and toxic relationships, and you will get also 2 playlists. And those 2 books I have already written, and the pictures and the illustrations done, and the games, so hopefully it will appear till September 2020. All right. Now section 13 is my worldview. And here I will talk first about Slavic inborn faith, meaning it's a Slavic nature faith. It's the basic philosophy, a Slavic philosophy. I will try to explain that, and you will get the playlist connected to the book. Now section 14 is my soul, and the topic first, it will be the soul levels. So how our development, spiritual development look like, our soul development look like. And the last section, section 15, is life and death. All right. So here I take the topic of the last rite of passage. Right, the last rite of passage. So I basically will talk about death, but also in this broader context, I will talk also about those small deaths that we have during our life. All right. I will tell you that in fact we have many rites of passage, and also this hard Saturnian rite of passage, the death rite of passage. We have also not only one. Anyway, I will talk about death in this section. So that's it. I guess I explained it more to you. I will just tell you that today I publish the vlogs update, and I will publish also in each section and in each playlist. I will publish this video, informative video, but you can watch it only once. You don't have to watch it every time you open the new playlist, right? So hopefully it was clear. Subscribe, please. Support me. It will be easier to let everybody know about the ancient knowledge, simple way, because I think everybody should know it. We should know a lot about ourselves, all right? It's just helpful. And many people just don't have access to that. So please forward all the videos you get, just, put it on your Facebooks and all that. Okay, now take care. And I just was thinking, what should I say at the end? I had such a nice saying at the other channel. I guess it should, I just always want to talk about freedom. So guys, just be free, always. Take care.